How to create a professional email signature in Gmail. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a professional email signature in Gmail. So make sure to watch this video till the end, and let's get started. Start by opening Gmail on your computer. Click the gear icon in the top right corner and then choose See All Settings. This will take you to the full settings menu. Now scroll down through the General tab until you find the Signature section. Click on Create New, give your signature a name, and click Create. In the Signature Editor, type your full name, job title, company name, and contact information. You can also add your phone number, website, or even social media links to make it more complete. Use the formatting tools to bold your name, add links, or even insert your company's logo or profile image to keep it professional and branded. Below the editor, select your new signature as the default for both new emails and replies or forwards. Once everything looks good, scroll down to the bottom of the page and click Save Changes. That's it! You now have a clean, professional Gmail signature that represents you and your brand. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. That's all for the video.